on YouTube. So the last video I've uploaded on TikTok or Instagram showing main heat exchanger pinhole. I said to customer, if I can get boiler on the 29th, which is today, I'll come and install it for you, no problem. I'm going to Williams in Fairham branch to pick up boiler, and I'm going to be replacing this boiler today. Keep watching. Just picked up boiler from Williams. It is now 9:30. By the time we get there, it's 10 o'clock. Drain system 11. It's still doable. My customer just sent me a video message filming my van from behind.
I've seen you. Sorry, I couldn't make you up when you hooted. Yeah, I trust you're okay. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit later. Yeah, the van in front of me. I couldn't, catch up with you. Oh yes, that's a good one. Good to see you, man.
What I'm saying, for those tradesmen driving plain vans, van advertising, van stickers really works. If you're being noticed by your customers, that means being noticed by your potential new customers. You only spend once, but it pays off. You have to do it. Just do it. That's a Christmas turkey, leftovers, open sandwich. Lovely. Another one in the garage. So that's the naughty boy. Where's motor? Shame on you, Mr. Gas Engineer, who installed this boiler. Block works, no motor, literally packed up with the polystyrene. Same on the other side. I'm not gonna touch this one.
That's a lie!
This is only straight emergency boiler swap, so that has to be redone by a builder.